Normally, I give you the homework at the end of the lecture, but in this lecture, because I want to hand over to Brian Bush and his course on the Cardano starter kit, I want to give my homework now already, in case you want to practice with the Marlow playground. I want you to modify the contract that we just looked at as follows.
Charlie should put down a deposit in the very beginning of twice the deposit that Alice and Bob put down. And if he then doesn't choose, when it's his turn to choose, Alice and Bob get half of what he put down. So Alice and Bob each end up with 20 in this example. So in the very beginning, Charlie is supposed to put down 20. Then it proceeds as usual. So if all goes well, Alice and Bob both put down 10 and Charlie makes his choice. For example, for Alice, then as before, Alice gets the 20 and Charlie gets his original deposit back. But if Charlie does not make a choice and the deadline is reached, then his 20 are split amongst Alice and Bob, so Alice and Bob both end up with 20.